Welcome all of you. Today class you are going to learn about the 555 oscillator. So in that one 555 it has there are two circuit, one is stable, second one is a monostables. So this circuit diagram is showing for that stable, okay, 555 oscillator circuit diagrams. If I have see that one, this is a circuit diagram. So connections here you will going to give that one plus 5 volt power supply. So you will going to give that one if you want to take the variation of the reading, you maybe vary this voltage lightly, you will going to vary. So here is a plus 5 volt is connected to the pin number 4 and pin number 8 to 7 you will going to connect one resistance, it's a 10 kilo ohm resistance. Another one is from 7 to 2 you will going to use one more 10 kilo ohm resistance. 2 to 6 you will going to connect it short circuited, and 6 to ground through the capacitor. Similarly 5 to ground through capacitors. Okay, similarly 1 directly connected to the ground. If you want to see the result, okay, output in CRO you can connect it, okay, 3 with respect to the ground you will going to connect it. If you are going to connect it, then you will going to get the waveform like this type of waveform. What is this waveform? Square waveform 0 1. So it is have see that one on time and off times. So this is on time and this is off time, on time off time. So this is a total time period. You have see that CRO, so this is the time period, on time off time. But if I have see that one, this on time and off time is not equally it is divided. Okay, so how it is there? You have see that one on time and off time. So T1 it is denoted for on time, T2 is denoted for that off time. What is on time? 0.693 multiply with RA plus RB into C1. So what is that RA? RA is a 10 kilo ohm plus 10 kilo ohm into C1 value 100 nanofarad. Okay, nanofarad 10 to power minus 9. So micro means 10 to power minus 6, nano is 10 to power minus 9. So you will going to use substitute, and then you will going to find out what is on time. Similarly off time, how to find out the off time? 0.693 RB into C1. What is RB value? 10 kilo ohm, 10k multiply with the C1 value, same C1 value 100 nanofarad. So you will going to do, then you will going to find out what is the off time periods. Then summation of these two is called a total time period. Or you can write 0.693 into RA plus RB, so 2 RB into C1. So this is a total time period. Okay, so this is circuit diagram. So you will going to make the connection as per the circuit diagram. Yes, you have go through it. So connected as per the circuit diagrams it is connected. Okay, so you will going to connect it from that 5 volt power supply. You will going to connect it, just you will going to give the constant 5 voltage power supply. I have given here through that one RPS, then result waveform. So it is a one square waveform is produced. Okay, so this is stable, okay, multi vibrators. So if I have see that one in CRO, okay, the frequency is 841, okay, 841, okay, 840, okay, near 840 hertz the frequency is produced. Okay, peak to peak value is it is a 5 volt. Okay, 5 volt of the peak to peak values. Mean value is 3.68 voltage. Okay, mean value is 3.68 voltage. Period is 1.19 milliseconds. Thank you.